Are you drowning in email marketing options and wondering if Mailerlite can throw you a lifeline? Today, we're diving deep into Mailerlite to see if it's the email marketing platform you've been searching for. We'll uncover its strengths, expose its weaknesses, and ultimately, help you decide if it's the right fit for your unique needs. First, let's talk features. Mailerlite shines with its user-friendly drag-and-drop editor, making email creation a breeze. Even if you're a complete beginner, plus, it offers robust automation capabilities allowing you to create targeted email sequences based on user behavior. Next up, pricing. Mailerlite offers a generous free plan for up to 1,000 subscribers, making it a fantastic option for startups and small businesses. Their paid plans are also competitively priced, offering great value as your subscriber list grows. Now, let's address customer support. Mailerlite provides email, chat, and a comprehensive help center, ensuring you have the resources you need when you encounter a roadblock. While response times can vary, their support team is generally helpful and knowledgeable. So, is Mailerlite good for email marketing? It depends. If you're looking for an affordable, easy-to-use platform with solid features and decent support, Mailerlite is definitely worth considering. However, those needing highly advanced features might find it a bit limiting. Ultimately, the best way to decide is to try it out yourself. Mailerlite's free plan makes it risk-free to explore and see if it clicks with your workflow. Check the link in the description to sign up for your free trial and start sending better emails today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more marketing platform reviews.